It's a very exciting time of the year as Apple will soon release their newest flagship, the iPhone 14. Before this happens though, the rumors come leaking out from the cracks, and it's really fun to look through them to try to understand which ones make sense and which ones don't. Okay, I was actually just kidding. This is the iPhone 13. But anyway, we've put together a list of everything that seems to fall into line, and we'll be sharing them with you today, starting off with Apple announcing a special event that will take place on the 7th of September. This event looks like it's gonna focus on the new iPhone 14 models, and expectations are as follows: a 6.1-inch iPhone 14 Pro and a 6.7-inch iPhone 14 Pro Max, a 6.1-inch iPhone 14, a 6.7-inch iPhone Max, which is basically the base version with a bigger display. It looks like there won't be a 5.4-inch iPhone mini this year, with Apple instead of opting for larger devices. The iPhone 14 Pro models will get a pill-shaped and a hole-punch cutout that replaces a notch, an A16 chip, and a 48-megapixel camera, among other improvements. There were quite a few people that didn't like the notch design that Apple was extremely stubborn about, so it's good news for them that it will be removed. However, the base 14 versions aren't really getting any expected improvements. They'll still have the previous A15 chip and the classic 12-megapixel camera, but you can count on new colors, an updated ultra-wide lens, faster 5G, and Wi-Fi 6E. The notch will also remain the same as it was on the iPhone 13 series, further giving incentive to customers to purchase the Pro version of the 14 to get the full experience. A little more about the cameras though. The device's sensor is said to be 1/1.3 inches in width, which is a 21.2% increase over the 1/1.65-inch sensor width of the wide camera of the iPhone 13 Pro and Pro Max. This increase in sensor size requires a larger lens to capture more light, leading to a noticeably larger rear camera array. Naturally, with the increase in the megapixel numbers, we're finally going to be able to see 8K video on the new iPhone 14 Pros. Considering iPhones are one of the best, if not the best videography phones out there, 8K video looks to be a great feature to spice up the competition. As an added bonus, 8K videos recorded with the iPhone 14 Pro are also set to be suitable for viewing on Apple's long-rumored AR/VR headset. Apple is likely to restrict ProMotion technology to the iPhone 14 Pro models and move that display analyst Ross Young attributes to a lack of availability of the necessary displays. Young has made it clear that he believes 120Hz refresh rates will remain an iPhone 14 Pro feature. Always-on display technology is also expected to be introduced as an iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max exclusive. One last thing, there have been rumors that Apple is aiming to remove the Lightning port from the iPhone for a portless design with charging done over MagSafe, but it's not clear if that technology will be introduced with the 2022 iPhone models. At least some of the iPhones coming out will continue to feature a Lightning port. Well then, that was pretty much all the exciting information that we dug up for you from various sources, and we hope that you enjoyed every second of it. If you did, it would be nice of you to drop a like and subscribe to our channel to not miss future updates of new phones, as well as the best camera comparisons on YouTube. See you in the next video.